Let's also get you all the details you need to know on the second coronavirus wave. India continues to be in the grip of the virus. Maharashtra is the worst hit state, recording over 56,000 fresh cases in the last 24 hours. With the surge, the active case tally in the state now has breached over 5,20,000. The state also reported 376 deaths in one day. Financial capital Mumbai has also reported a huge surge in its COVID tally. It recorded nearly 9,000 fresh cases and 23 deaths in the last 24 hours. National capital Delhi clocked over 7,400 fresh cases, the highest that it's recorded this year. With the surge, the positivity rate in Delhi has now reached 8.1% as cases continue to spiral out of control. In nearly 11 states, either there's a partial lockdown or a night curfew that's been put in place. Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh are the latest to introduce the night curfew. Remember, the Prime Minister Modi, during his meet with all state CMs, had termed night curfew as a COVID curfew.
कुछ लोग ये इंटेलेक्चुअल डिबेट करते हैं कि क्या कोरोना रात को ही आता है। हकीकत में दुनिया ने भी ये रात्रि कर्फ्यू के प्रयोग को स्वीकार किया है, क्योंकि हर व्यक्ति को कर्फ्यू समय होता है तो याद आता है कि हाँ, मैं कोरोना काल में जी रहा हूं और बाकी जीवन व्यवस्थाओं को कम से कम प्रभाव होता है। हाँ, अच्छा होगा कि हम कोरोना कर्फ्यू रात को 9 बजे शुरू करें या रात को 10 बजे शुरू करें और सुबह 5-6 बजे तक चलाएं, ताकि बाकी व्यवस्थाओं को प्रभाव ज़्यादा न हो। और इसलिए उसको कोरोना कर्फ्यू के नाम से ही प्रचलित करें। और कोरोना कर्फ्यू एक प्रकार से लोगों को एजुकेट करने के लिए काम आ रहा है, अवेयरनेस के लिए काम आ रहा है।
So curbs have been put in place in different states, particularly night curfew, something most states have now introduced. In Maharashtra, there's a night curfew from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. daily. Now, besides that, the national capital just a few days ago said that there will be a night curfew till the end of this month. The timings, however, vary. In Delhi, it's from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. What about Punjab? The night curfew in Punjab is from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. and it's only in 9 cities that a night curfew has been introduced in the state of Punjab. In Jammu and Kashmir, another union territory that's just brought about night curfew, it's from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. and it's only in 8 districts where cases are going up. Rajasthan, there's a curfew from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. in 10 cities that have been identified by the administration. And then you have Uttar Pradesh, where there's a night curfew in Lucknow, in Gautam Budh Nagar, in Noida, and in Ghaziabad. In these 3 districts, the administration has announced night curfew. Odisha, there's a night curfew from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. in 10 districts. And in Gujarat, 20 cities, a night curfew has been brought in place by the government. In Chandigarh, there's a night curfew across from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning daily. Karnataka night curfew has now been introduced in 7 cities, including in Bengaluru, from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. So these are the states which have gone ahead and decided that night curfew is the right step to take amid a rise in COVID cases. Here are some ground reports from different cities on what the situation is, on the number of cases that have been reported and the steps being taken.
More than 7,400 fresh cases in the last 24 hours, 24 deaths and almost 4,500 people in hospitals or COVID care centers. Delhi's coronavirus situation is spiraling, even as Ayush and Unani doctors have now been pressed into service to treat coronavirus patients in the hospitals. OPDs have been shut. Emergency surgeries only is the order coming from the AIIMS administration, as the Prime Minister stresses on test, track and treat. But the question is, are people following the distancing and masking norms? In Delhi, the numbers are spiraling, but the crowds don't seem to be reducing. In New Delhi, with cameraman Rakesh, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.